We are from Sant Mariam School and I have a project today, electromagnet, how to make a electromagnet. For this purpose, I am here gathered, the class 10G of Sant Mariam School. I have my student, what is your name? Sunny Deval and Jagriti. I have a battery connector, this one, you see the battery, and this is also a battery. We can use any one of them. Hai? We have a insulated copper wire. We have a insulated. You see, this one is the insulated copper wire. Okay. Okay. This one is the soft iron core. This one is the soft iron core. You can buy it from any hardware shop. Okay. We have such a screw or nut. Washer, you can say it, washer. Now we are how to form electromagnet. We have to wind a insulated copper wire over a. We have to wind the insulated copper wire over a soft iron core, leaving a small wire over here. Now wind the wire on the soft iron core. Let us see this one. This is the process of the winding. You can wind over here. Many times as you wind over here more and more, the strength of magnetic field will be more. No, the magnetic field is directly proportional to the number of turns. Okay. This is the magnetic field is directly proportional to number of turns. As you wind it more and more, the strength of magnetic field will be more. You see this one. This one is the project. Okay. Okay, this one is your demonstration of an electromagnet. Only we have to now connect with the battery. Before connecting it with the battery, we have to remove its insulation from here. Remove the insulation by using the fire. You can see here we are removing the insulation of the wire from here. Okay, one more. We are also removing the insulation of the wire from here. Then we have removed the insulation. Okay. Now connect with the battery. We have already removed the insulation. Now we are going to connect with the battery. This is a 9-volt battery. You can see here. And we are going to connect with this. We are giving the DC power supply to this electromagnet. We are giving the DC power supply to this electromagnet. This is the DC power supply. This is the DC power supply. Now the current is going through it. Now we are going to touch. Check this one. If it is going to. You see this one. This is the effect, how it attracts. See the experiment. This will become a magnet, temporary magnet. This will become a temporary magnet or called electromagnet. You see this one? Everybody, you can see it. This is a electromagnet. This is the concept of the electromagnet. How you can increase the strength of the electromagnet? How you can increase the strength of the electromagnet? By using more and more winding, by using the more value of the power cell. You can increase the value of the power cell, and you can increase more and more winding. You can increase the strength of the electromagnet. The last thing, how can I buy or purchase such a model? You have to buy a soft iron core from a hardware shop. You can get this wire. You can get this wire of copper wire from any electronic shop. Maybe 10 or 20 rupees. है ना? You can buy also this battery from electronic shop, and you can demonstrate this project in your home. This is the project we have done, completed with our students Sunny Deval and Jagriti. Okay, thank you.